Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5050 OC low profile graphics card with triple fan cooling solution. So friend, Gigabyte's low profile RTX 5050 solution offer a compact form factor that can fit inside ITX case and offer custom design cooling system that can ensure faster heat distribution without needing a big heatsink. So friend, which boasts a triple fan cooling design and is compact enough to sit inside a small chassis without no hassle, and despite featuring an additional fan compared to the Gigabyte RTX 3050 low profile edition and the GPU hardly increase in dimension. The RTX 5050 OC low profile measure 182 mm into 69 mm into 36 mm and dual slot card, and it offer 8 GB GDDR6 memory clock at 20 Gbps and PCIe 5.0 interface. The core clock are not revealed yet, but since the OC edition expect the boost clock to be somewhat higher than the reference edition, which offer 2.57 GHz of boost clock, and the GPU will same TDP of 130 watt as the reference edition, and therefore Gigabyte has the same 550 watt PSU recommendation as NVIDIA. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.